In today's digital world, social media is a part of our everyday lives, and unfortunately, so are cyber threats. One of the most alarming situations is being blackmailed on Facebook. Criminals exploit simple connections to intimidate and manipulate. If you ever face this, remember you're not alone and there is a way forward. Blackmailers exploit Facebook's massive reach, threatening to release private images or information unless their demands are met. So, how do you stop someone from blackmailing you on Facebook? The first step is to act quickly. Secure your account by changing your password, reviewing privacy settings, and limiting what strangers can see on your profile. Support our mission by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates on sextortion prevention. We provide the knowledge to help you avoid these attacks and guide those already caught in such situations. Stay informed and protect those around you. Subscribe today. How to report someone blackmailing you on Facebook. When dealing with threats, reporting is essential. Here's how to report blackmail on Facebook. Locate the threatening message, profile, or post. Click the three dots for options and choose Report. Select the reason that matches the situation, in this case, blackmail or harassment. In addition to reporting the account to Facebook, take other steps to protect yourself. Use a strong, unique password. Never reuse the same password across accounts. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. Be cautious about what you post on your profile. Avoid sharing sensitive details like your address, phone number, or date of birth. Review privacy settings often to ensure only trusted people can see your posts. Stay alert for suspicious links or messages. Never click on unfamiliar links or reply to unsolicited messages. How to stop blackmail on Facebook fast. But what happens next? This is where the Blackmail helpline steps in. At the Blackmail helpline, our investigators use advanced IP tracking tools and social engineering expertise. We also work with payment services such as Western Union and MoneyGram to break through anonymity and navigate complex international extradition laws. Our team compiles detailed reports with all collected evidence, strengthening your case and ensuring action can be taken. For immediate help, call the Blackmail helpline today at 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com. Together, we can stop cybercrime and protect your digital safety. Conclusion. Cyber threats like blackmail and sextortion are widespread in today's online environment. Facebook, with its large user base, is a frequent target for criminals. But by acting quickly, securing your account, and reporting the incident, you take the first steps towards safety. Stay informed by subscribing to the Blackmail Helpline's updates on sextortion. Support our work to help keep you and your loved ones safe.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmail.HelpLine.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.